Wondering how your drivers feel about using dash cams? Spoiler alert, they're big fans. Integrated video is a game changer. How does integrated video help your team? Let's break it down. As soon as the vehicle's ignition is turned on, the camera AI begins scanning video footage from both the road-facing and driver-facing cameras. When the driver-facing camera AI detects potentially risky behavior, such as fatigue, an in-cab audible alert immediately notifies the driver.
Tiredness detected.
It's like having a copilot helping them stay alert. This is where the critical driver protection kicks in. The road-facing camera keeps an eye out for potential accident-causing events like other erratic drivers on the road. In the event of an accident, integrated video can capture reliable video evidence.
Initially, when cameras were introduced, I was offended until I started to understand that I had an advocate. The camera could help me out of a bad situation. You have a witness.
When an event occurs, the manager receives a notification and can view the footage on their mobile or desktop computer. They'll have access to the whole story, all in one place, including time, location, road conditions, and more. This can help mitigate liability and protect your driver in the event of a false accident claim.
Always the biggest issue when you're a truck driver is there's an accident, you're at fault.
We got a text and it was just said that our service truck had slammed on the brakes.
A car had passed him and locked up her brakes in front of him.
And within 5 minutes of it happening, I had the video.
She tried to sue us 3 different times, but with the video from Verizon Connect that we sent her, they dropped it each time.
It also gives me kind of a sense of security too, because I mean, you're driving in the cities, there's traffic and all these things, and not everybody drives great.
The drivers do appreciate the fact that they know we have their back with the cameras.
Visit us online to learn more about integrated video and take the first step towards a safe, protected fleet.